In this video, I will guide you to the simple steps on how to add a clickable link to your Facebook post. So keep watching for a quick and easy guide ensuring that you can effortlessly share links with your audience on Facebook. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, to kick things off, head over to your profile or page and you will spot that inviting create a post box. Now, next up, dive right in and start writing your post contents. You can share your thoughts, updates, or whatever on your mind. After that, it's link time. Jump over to the website you want to share and copy the URL from the address bar, or copy the link of the video that you want to share. Now, after that, return to your Facebook post, paste the link into your text, and watch as Facebook works its magic generating a link preview with the title, description, and image. Now, take a moment to review your entire post. Make sure you're satisfied with both the text you've crafted and the link preview that Facebook automatically generated. This is your chance to ensure everything looks just the way you want before sharing it with your audience. And lastly, when everything looks just the way you want it, hit that post button and your post complete with the clickable link is now out there for your audience to enjoy. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.